Hey, buddy. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah, look how big you're getting. Oh, he's heavy. Come on. Come on. Ooh, look at him. He just ate. He ate a bunch of meat. Then he ate string beans. And he ate a big blueberry and peas and a piece of tomato. Yeah. Look at you. You can see his scales now, huh? He's about half his length, maybe a little more. But about a quarter of it, the weight that he's going to be when he gets big. Show him how big your hands are. He's got little raccoon hands. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to say goodnight, buddy.